right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to create outlines and expand and what the difference are. So this is just text I just drew. You saw that. Now I'm going to make a box and give it some little round corners because they look cool. And then we're going to switch to stroke and let's make it more red. Bump that up a bit. Oh, there we go. I was going to go to the palette, but I have it right here. Okay, now we got this rolling. I wanted you to see that just because you need to see the difference in what I just did there. We have a stroke and a fill, and we have a font. So if we go here and we hit Object, um, Expand, it's going to say stroke and fill. You hit OK. Now, what that just did was you see when I click on this now, we have blue line, blue line, blue line. Prior, it was just the center one. They are grouped when you do this, so hit ungroup. And now I simply have this, and it's not a fill, it's not a stroke anymore. See that? It's a fill. So it basically just permanently made your stroke an object. Like it's not a stroke. So it's kind of like this is done. You can't change it back. And now it's for certain purposes you'll need it like that. And someone might have a different setting when they open their Illustrator, it messes up the stroke and stuff. So this avoids all that. Same with this. So this is a font. We're going to go to type, and then we're going to go to create outlines. Now just like expand, there it is grouped. So ungroup it, and now you're free to move these guys around. They're shapes now. They don't have anything tied to them. It's not a font where you can't go change this to say something else. If it did have a stroke, let's say this, now that, whoops, yeah, that stroke is, can also still be outlined. So now it's a stroke. If you want to get rid of that stroke permanently and just have it be an object, that's how you do it. Ungroup, and you're back. Now that's not a stroke. See that? So that's how you do that. That's outlines and expanding. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.